So it's been a pretty busy day. Um, there's been a lot of setup today. We got everything lined up for the bride and groom. It's a little bit warm, but it's comfortable with the breeze. Yeah, my words not coming out too smoothly. Still a little bit sleepy, but we're good. This is extremely exciting, and I'm so glad I get to enjoy this moment with you guys. I appreciate being invited and being able to be here. Um, I just gotta say that marriage, it's not always gonna be easy. It's not always gonna be what you expected it to be, but it is definitely a lot more rewarding than anyone could really ever imagine. Um, I just want to say thank you and bless you from me and mine. My wife wishes she could be here, but she can't. Um, but this is awesome. We're about to get this started pretty soon. We got Grandma here. About to get a little bit of documentation with her and see what her wedding words are. And yeah. All right, you guys, stay tuned.